Come on, Nick. Nick's the new intro to the video, guys. Welcome back to another video, guys. We have Nicolas Cage.
What's up, what's up, what's up?
The white version. I mean the black version.
Hey! Hold up.
We're in here. I hope Milton see this, man. Cause Milton, man, you got us installing this kit here, man. This kid's horrible, but we making it happen.
Kit, man.
We should have got the Monster Made kit. He bought another kit, but we got you. We gonna make it work, you know. Make your pockets work too. But I mean, it's all good. We got you. All right, so in this video, guys, we're early for clutch kickers. Oh, we're getting ready early. It's Wednesday. I mean, I guess you call it early. Decide hooked your boy up. We got a FDF rear grip kit we're gonna be installing on the comp car. I don't know if it's a good idea or bad idea to be doing it right before comp, but I mean, hey, we gonna make it happen. So I'm gonna grab the car. I'm gonna throw it on the lift. We'll open all that stuff up and start installing that tonight. We got Crocs Master over here. We got going on over there. And of course, guys, you know, we got Haitian out here. We got a new chaser. What is he doing? He put wheels on it already. He got some tire marks already. Cook, say what up to the people.
What's up, peeps? You know.
How y'all doing, man?
You know, he got to install music off rip. You know, he got them Sundowns. Sundowns, my boy need a sponsor because he been buying so much speakers from y'all.
Sundowns, man. You know that sundown shit. Sundown. You see the sun coming down?
Yeah, you know, we got the little, trying to size George, so you got to chase it too nice and clean the inside. It's auto, but you know, we going to fix that real quick. Yeah. I ain't getting one of those, guys. Don't even think. I'm not finna get one of those. You out?
I gotta go to the airport.
All right, later. Yeah, we ain't finna get one of those, man. I ain't a chase again. I'm gonna need a 34 sedan again. But this is what we're here for. This car's been putting in so much work, so it definitely deserves a rare grip kit. So we're gonna go do that right now. Drive it in and start prepping. I'm gonna change all the fluids, install the rare grip kit, put on an alignment rack tomorrow, get it back to where it was, and go from there. So that's the plan for this video. Alright, so we got the FDF red grip kit laid out. Look like we got all the pieces. We're gonna start install. Yeah, we definitely gonna start install. Alright, so Cookie got started on the back. He's gonna start pulling them off, doing his thing over here. See how hard I got him working, he's sweating and stuff.
Alright.
And then I'm gonna go ahead and start assembling the new set of stuff to go on here. Why he do that? That way we're not in each other's way. And we'll be good to go here soon. I'll update you guys in a second. All right, so he's still over there. Music. Cook making moves over here. He got all the bolts off. He got that side off. Boy. Yeah, we're on the other side right now. Cook just knocking bolts out, man, with those.
What a pry bar.
It's on the other side. You got it? Yeah, look, we got one out. Boom, already stripped it. Took the wheel bearing off. And get the other one off now. Yeah. How much more you got to go? Oh, let me get the brass hammer. Favorite tool, you know? Brass hammer life.
You wrung the shit out of my ear.
My bad, bro.
God, dog.
I just wanted to seem like I was doing something, you know?
Shit, I thought I was about to knock a bitch out, like TKO, like. I thought I was motherfucking Tyson, bitch. You know I got the gap already.
You know, you gotta talk with a voice, you know? Yeah.
I got to put the FD rear kick in. The rear kit. The FD rear kit.
You ready?
I ain't gonna fall. I ain't gonna let him Tyson.
Hey, don't let it fall, man. Hey, let me, I gotta hit the axle. Woo! Oh, hold on, let me hit the axle. Hold on. Damn, why my pocket
Who
calling
that,
people,
Trump?
bro?
Trump in the background?
Oh, my bad, bro. Yeah, my bad, bro. My bad.
Put him on the tube.
My bad. We got these fools out here.
Pocket dollar.
Bro, y'all have fun. Go eat, bro.
Yeah.
Go eat.
Motherfucker. Yeah. Yeah. Get him, Haitian.
Hey, get it up, bro. I'm pocket dollar.
That shit is heavy.
Heavy, bro. You need a hand? Let me put this down.
Did you take the brake off?
Dino in.
Yeah, you got it out.
Damn, you had a regular arm right here?
Regular arm. That's not regular, bro. Well, I need the curve for? What I need the curve for, bro? You sizing my arms, bro?
Oh, damn.
Hey,
We on
baby.
camera?
Yeah, this is when we out here. Godspeed, baby. We's out here.
Damn,
We got ghosts. We got ghosts.
Damn, bro. They all
need
got
hood
that hood
shocks.
shocks.
You need hood
I
shocks.
ain't tasted it, bro.
Hey, that's the first thing he usually buy for every car is hood shocks. And look at it.
That's some bullshit, bro.
That thing did hood shocks, bro. Chill out.
All on me. I'll take it.
It wasn't even recording, but now it is. So we on the driver's side now. We practice on the other side. I'll show you what's going on. It ain't no pictures out there that I looked really hard I can find pictures. So this is how the lower control arm go. Donna Vlogger done hooked me up, told me how to do it. I'm gonna show y'all guys right now because we had to kind of like figure it out. The BC coilover didn't really fit in there. We had to just shave it a little bit, just a tad little bit, but I think it, you know, because it fit a whole bunch of different coilovers, might be different. This is how the lower control arm go, guys, so for whoever wants to know. We started in the middle, per instructions. Make sure everything's tightened up. Well, we got the wheel on there. What I'm gonna try to do is finish off that side because it's already getting late. We already done had too many damn Coronas and stuff, so yeah. But it's looking good on this side. Then Nick Don came over here, he bailed on the Rev 9 turbo kit because it sucks. And he's gonna help service the car and get it ready for clutch kickers. He's changing oil. Doesn't look like he's doing much. He's on the tranny oil now. You changed the engine oil already?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, he put a brand new filter on, ready to go, getting tranny oil. And then yeah, man, the Cookmeister gonna get this side over here. Look at him, he look lit. That did look lit. Just having too many Coronas. So yeah, I mean, he's a hater.
Watching Cookie work.
Master got me working. I'm